My name is Michael Gunning. I'm the CEO of VR Resources, junior exploration company listed in Vancouver on the Venture Exchange, and also recently with a listing on the OTCQB. I'm 3 generations in this business. I've been doing this my entire life. This company was formed after I came out of success in uranium. We have listed publicly 3 years ago. We have been advancing assets in Nevada and Ontario, focused on copper and gold. This morning, we put out a news release on our key project in Ontario called Hecla-Kilmer. It's a very unusual, large-scale, large footprint copper gold breccia target. They're called IOCGs, iron oxide copper gold. They're modeled on the largest and most famous polymetallic deposit on this planet called Olympic Dam in Australia. We've all been working hard to find one in North America since. We have not. I think Hecla-Kilmer gives you that potential. VR has put money into the ground for the past year. That is our niche. We keep our office footprint small. We keep our share structure tight. We put our money into the ground because that's how I make money for our investors. We can see that our drill holes last fall, which made long intersections in this hydrothermal breccia with evidence for copper, for gold, and for strategic metals. This gravity anomaly that you can see in figure 2 in this news release is showing that you have a 600 by 800 meter footprint of high density material. We can see in our 2 drill holes have this type of high density mineralization. So we're here to tell you as investors, we think we have the source of the mineralization and brecciation that we saw in drill core in this gravity anomaly. It's large. It has the footprint that is similar in size to a 1 billion ton, 0.6% copper deposit in South Africa called Palabora, a 1 billion ton, 0.8% copper deposit in Australia called Carrapateena. So if you're doing that what if scenario as an investor for what is this gravity anomaly, for the geologists at VR, that's what it looks like. We know that that's the type of mineral system that Hecla-Kilmer is because of the work that we've been doing for the past 3 years. We understand these intersections that we made last October on the edge. And now with this gravity anomaly, you can see in figure 2, we have answered the question, where do we go with our drilling? So for you as investors, that drilling is coming up in September. And this has become an example of an impossible blue sky upside for VR in terms of what an intersection like that on a footprint of that size of a deposit that we feel will have copper, gold, and rare metals, and to understand the momentum that is in those sectors, and particularly for copper and particularly for these strategic metals. I think Hecla-Kilmer, you can see in this gravity anomaly, has the potential to provide a solution for global copper supply demand and for what you hear Biden talking about in terms of the importance of getting out of the stranglehold of the current strategic position that China has. And this is the kind of share price and market cap upside that I want VR to pursue. We have the expertise, we have the track record. Not every junior does this, very few majors are doing this. This is the upside that I want VR to pursue for our investors. And this is your opportunity to look at this news release, understand the upside, and to build a position in VR before the drill program, not after. And I guess I should close in saying that our objective in the next 6 months is to also do this on the Reveille silver copper project we are currently drilling in Nevada right now, and the Amsel gold project, which we intend to drill this summer, which I believe has a footprint similar to the Great Round Mountain gold deposit, 20 million ounces, 100 years of production, currently being mined by Kinross, like every mine currently at the end of its long and illustrious mine life. And I believe our AMSO project has a footprint like Round Mountain and gives us the potential to serve up to the gold industry in Nevada. Where is the next Round Mountain gold deposit? Hecla Kilmer, you can see in the news release, is coming with a drill program this fall. And we hope to, in the meantime, do that with 2 projects in Nevada this summer. So with that, thanks for your time this morning and good luck with your investments.